Hi everyone, welcome back to the Ridiculousness Report. Today we journey back in time to March of this year when the Princess of Wales released her beautiful Mother's Day photo. Now you have the Princess of Wales sitting surrounded by her lovely children. It was released with very little ceremony to the public, and I think less than 24 hours later, a kill notice was issued by the AP. Now, a kill notice apparently is just media speak for stop circulating the photo because they claimed that it had been manipulated by the source. Now, I'm not going to sit here and deny that there wasn't Photoshop. Obviously, we know that there was because there was a follow-up statement saying that it was a photo taken by the Prince of Wales. They were kind of engaged in some amateur photography and they were playing around with Photoshop. Okay, no big deal. Yeah, there were some alterations, but it didn't seem to be that big of a deal. It was just an amateur photographer taking a photo of their family, making edits, which we know happens in the vast majority of cases with these things that are released to the public, but whatever. Moving along, the media, the world went crazy over this and was accusing the Princess of Wales of being underhanded and all this kind of nonsense, being dishonest or some kind of crap. Well, then you fast forward to recently when What's-Her-Face in Montecito and her ridiculous husband released their, I was going to say Christmas card, but I guess we have to call it a holiday card, whatever, with a photo in the middle, basically featured, and it was a photo purporting to be of them and their two children. Now, it doesn't take a genius or an AI detector to see that there were all kinds of things wrong with this photo. I mean, quite frankly, it looked to me as if it was like a screen grab from security footage. Like, it was from a very far distance away. It was grainy. It was, in my opinion, clearly manipulated. I mean, way more than the Mother's Day photo put out by Kensington Palace of the Princess of Wales and her children. Okay, but the difference is that there was no kill notice issued. Nobody in the media said, this has been altered, stop circulating it, whatever. None of that happened. But I mean, did we really expect anything else? I didn't. But what I find interesting, and I think we should highlight here, is that at the time that the Princess of Wales put out her photo, there was all this negative talk, and Page 6 put out an article quoting a source, quote unquote, which we all know, in my opinion, who that is, Meghan, saying that it's not a mistake that Meghan would ever make because she has a freakish attention to detail or whatever. Yeah, sure. Well, now, not a mistake she'd ever make, right? Except when she's putting out her Christmas card this year, holiday card, warm winter wishes. Give me a break.